So Onetide really began under the auspices of e-technology, which was an entity through which our engineering director contracted into oil and gas space.
I've been working on various oil and gas projects for about 30 odd years, and 2008 was when I really started designing and developing a range of products that were going to make a difference.
It kind of grew through some of the products that we were providing into oil and gas that we realised were translatable to defence domain. Onetide's product and namesake that brought Onetide into defence is our mission deck system,
which is a no-welded sea fastening system, rapid deployment. In short, we can turn an offshore supply boat into a Navy fighting ship in 12 hours.
It allows vessel modification within one tidal cycle. And at Indo-Pacific, we were very fortunate to achieve the award of Best Maritime Innovation for our mission deck system.
We have the mobile microgrid system, which was a subset of the mission deck. So the mobile microgrid is an electrical system that we use to interface from the vessel to the equipment that's been fitted to the mission deck system. So we can kick the system out the back of a C-130 and it can GPS guide itself down to onto land. It can be picked up by the ground force and deployed really easily. So we can provide a power and clean water into the remotest place possible.
It was whilst on HMAS Stirling that we observed how the shore power cables were being operated, and we happened to mention we can probably design something for you, and so that's where Rapid Reel was born.
So the Rapid Reel system was a means of managing and a safe way of working the shore power cables that the Navy ships were using. It took over a year of development to develop the product to be lightweight, to be marinised so it wouldn't corrode in the marine environment. We looked at how we move the product around. Instead of moving one big built-up piece of equipment, which costs a lot of money and takes a lot of space, we developed it to be flat packable. So there's a lot of thought gone into the product.
We then demonstrated Rapid Reel through connecting the USS Canberra to shore power when she was in for commissioning. So in 2020, the Rapid Reel system was recognised for the Defence Innovation Awards SME of the Year Award. The following year, in 2021, Australian Workplace Health and Safety Award. And that was really through its ability to remove 38 people from a high-risk work environment and change what was a 3-hour, 40-person task to a 15-minute, 2-person task.
Currently, Navy are our main customer for the Rapid Reel system.
Rapid Reel is now in full use in the Navy's main fleet bases at HMAS Stirling in Western Australia and Fleet Base East in Sydney. And it is measurably quicker, more effective, more efficient and importantly safer than traditional methods of cable storage and handling.
Really the punctuation of our achievements to date was demonstrating Rapid Reel on Bravo Pier at Pearl Harbor during RIMPAC with US naval facilities.
So we've been in the UK, we've been around all the Royal Navy's wharfs, even the restricted aircraft carrier wharf. So we now know that the Rapid Reel system is compatible with all coalition navies.
We're really proud of this, supporting the WA SME ecosystem. For example, we work in alliance with Fran Marine, whereby we have exceptionally complementary products.
Fran Marine and Onetide first met in 2022. Those conversations developed into a working relationship with Roy and Rebecca and the Onetide team, as well as purchasing the Rapid Reel power stands. We use that for our in-water hull cleaning systems since it's been implemented on site. Our team has really commented on how it's taken out that manual handling component. It means we take up a lot less wharf space or vessel space with the system. The hoses are all neatly coiled away.
You know, Defence needs equipment that is reliable, minimal maintenance, easy to use and can last a long time.
Onetide has demonstrated themselves to be a high quality engineering and design company. They have been responsive to Navy's needs, they have delivered against expectations and they've readily sought user feedback for product improvement and adaptation.
They always deliver on their promises, so if we place an order for, say, a power stand and they give us a delivery date, we know it's going to be there on those dates. The relationship's gone from strength to strength and we can't recommend Onetide enough.